Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have a DVR. It's a good save. The DVR is not working. We have a short on it. Let's see it. We have here. Let's connect the charger. It's 12 volt. Some petrol. As we see, we have the bad capacitor. Let's remove it and see if we have a change of state. We remove the cap. Clean. Let's see if we have the same issue or not. The issue is gone. But DVR not open. Let's have a power sign. Have an image. We have an image and it's working good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's connect a mouse. As we see, we have thanks for watching.